Go.
Now, Ron, this is Abe's Kentucky life,
Yes,
correct?
correct. Yes, Kentucky years, and part of the Indiana years. And so this is where it begins. So after the Ford's Theater experience, we walk through, and this is an exploration into, as you said, Roy, the Kentucky years, the Indiana years, his early years, his relationship with his father, his mother, and stepmother, his lack of desire to do physical labor, but his love for learning. It's all up here in this section.
Okay, and then how many touch points are there in this area?
We have several touch points. One touch point, and the first one is over here. And I don't know if you got a chance to touch this earlier, Roy, and previously feel this. And actually, it's very hard.
Oh my, yeah.
Yeah.
It's kind of a fiberglass.
Yeah, it really is. It's actually an actual quilt that resin has been put on it, because we invite people to touch things in this museum. But also, you run the risk, of course, of touching things getting harmed. So it's not going to be very easy to harm this one. So we're hoping this lasts. But this is a touch point, so that when people touch it, what happens is the screen there above you, we'll start to have words. This picture will light up, and then we hear about Lincoln's father, his relationship with his real mother, because the quilt represents that. So that's a touch point.
Okay.
And the touch point we were at earlier, this is snake root, and his mother died from milk poisoning, which is basically passed down from a cow eating poisonous snake root. So when this is touched, you hear about that story. You hear about the coffin. The coffin is a touch point, and then you hear about how Abe had to actually construct the coffin that his mother was put into. So it's very riveting in many ways. We have touch points over here. The plow. And that represents, as I said earlier, the sort of the distance of relationship between his father, who was born of the country, born of the frontier, you work hard, and Abraham Lincoln, who really resisted that sort of lifestyle. The axe, again, sort of that work environment and how that was very, very different. And then the book over here is a touch point about Lincoln's love for books and love for literature.
Okay. So let's progress.
Sure.